Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. On this channel, we make videos about Uber, Lyft, Doordash, as well as other food delivery and rideshare apps. My name is Bentley and I'm from Charlotte. I'm a current dasher that's quickly approaching 10,000 deliveries. I've been able to do that in 12 cities in 9 states in less than 3 years. I took everything that I know and turned it into a channel called Doordash Diaries, but that is not why I'm here today. Dylan asked me to come in and talk to you personally about the introduction of pharmacy deliveries to the Doordash app. I'm gonna go over what you need to know and how I think it will affect you or someone you know as a dasher. Let's go. Doordash sent out an email saying that they have started a partnership with CVS in order to help them handle some of their prescription needs. Dashers will now be able to receive prescription orders through the Dasher app, very similar to the orders that they already pick up from their favorite restaurants. In a world where everybody wants everything on demand and Amazon is quickly moving from a 2-day shipping to a 1-day shipping, companies are stuck scrambling trying to find the quickest way to get their products to their customers. That's where we come in. CVS has recently launched a program where customers can either go through the CVS app or through the CVS website, start the process to have their prescription filled, and then have it delivered to them within 3 hours using the Doordash app. As a dasher, you'll still be able to see the pertinent information to help you make a decision on whether you want to accept this delivery or not. It's still going to show the items, the scheduled drop-off time, and your total payout. CVS is treating this just like any other mail order prescription service. So you will not be able to deliver any type of controlled narcotic or any type of controlled substance. And it does not require any type of special certification, or you don't have to do anything in addition to what you've already done. Once you pick up the prescription and you approach the customer, if you get to the home and the customer that you are there to see is not there, if there's someone home that is over the age of 18 and they are willing to sign for the prescription, you can still make the delivery. If there's no one available, or if there's no one that's comfortable with taking the prescription, you can contact Doordash and they will create a return delivery so that you can return the prescription back to the store. And not only will you be paid for the first trip from the store to the customer, but you'll be paid for the return trip from the customer back to the store as well. The only way that we really make this work is to maintain the privacy of the customers and to treat it like gold. And Doordash has asked for us to maintain some best practices while we are doing our pharmacy deliveries. Please do not disclose the delivery address to any third party. Please do not retain any information relating to the delivery for purposes other than completing the delivery. Respect the customer's privacy and do not open any sealed packages. If for any reason you do see the customer's personal information, please do not retain or give that to any third party. I see this as a great opportunity for Doordash to step outside of the threshold of just delivering food. In a world where everybody wants everything on demand and as quickly as possible, if the business can set a 3-hour expectation for the customer to receive their goods, that gives us plenty of time as dashers to get to the actual merchant, pick up whatever it is, and get it delivered to the customer. That overall is going to create an excellent experience. And when we think about the type of customers that can really benefit from this delivery of their prescriptions, we're talking soccer moms who have kids at home that have the flu, that are sick with the measles or mumps, or maybe even some type of ear infection. We're talking about the elderly that no longer drive, that don't have anybody that can really take them to and from, and could risk losing the most by not being able to take their medications on a consistent basis. Or just a worry wart that just wants to be in the house. We live in a world where virtual doctor visits are a reality. And right now you could get on your phone for any major hospital and any major market, and you could schedule to see a physician and talk to them about damn near anything that you could talk to somebody about at an urgent care. So if it's a burn, some type of small laceration, maybe it's chickenpox, maybe it's the measles, whatever the situation may be, even if you've just been partying all weekend long at the lake and now you have swimmer's ear, you have the ability to talk to someone, have them diagnose it, and write you a prescription. From there, they could send that over to CVS. CVS could begin the filling process while they schedule with Doordash to have a dasher come out and pick up the order. I think that this is going to be the future. This is the new wave. And for companies like Doordash and Postmates, they are already at the forefront and trying new things. Boom. This is normally when I do my closing, but instead of doing my closing, I'm gonna invite you over to my channel, Doordash Diaries, my Triple D's fam, T3D. My entire channel is dedicated strictly to Doordash. Tips, tricks, everything that you need to know, and I even make ride-alongs, and I'm kind of funny. Really corny, but kind of funny. So I'm gonna invite you. The link's gonna be somewhere around here, or maybe down there or over there, but wherever it is, I want you to come and see me. Come check me out. Bentley Coupe, Doordash Diaries, T3D, we global. See you next time.